Welcome back to my vlog. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing. This one's from Expack. It's a Canadian subscription box, Canadian snacks, all that good stuff. I got this because I had a real good deal on it. So let's go ahead and unbox. That's what it looks like. Okay, what do we got here? We got Miss Vicky's sea salt and malt vinegar. One of my favorite type of chips. We got zesty cheese Doritos. This one I've been really looking forward to trying. Veggie crisp ketchup flavored. I guess ketchup flavored chips are a real big deal very popular in Canada. Yeah, one. It looks like we got 2 Wonder Bars. And these Wonder Bars are Cadbury. I don't know if you can see. Focus or not. Yeah. Then we got a crunchy sponge toffee bar. And some artisanal crisps apple flax. What we're gonna try, if you're not familiar with my unboxing like these, I always try one thing, and I'm gonna be trying the ketchup flavored ones. I already had mayonnaise flavored ones from Colombia. They actually were pretty good, better than one would think. That's what it looks like. Green. Okay, the veggie crisp though. Looks like they're made from, says on the back, their veggie crisps are made with goodness of real vegetables like yellow and green peas, tomatoes, carrots. So that would explain the green. Let's try them. Oh, not bad. Pretty good, actually. Better than I would think they would be. I will leave a link in the description to the site if you're interested. And I am not sponsored by the company. So, thank you, and have a wonderful day. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, so you'll be notified of the next upload. And give me a thumbs up. Thank you and have a good day.